In this video we are going to teach you how to perform a DECEL G sensor calibration on a 2011 Nissan Titan using the X431 throttle. First select Nissan. To confirm the software, select OK. Select the vehicle with 16 pin. Confirm ban and select OK. Select automatic selection. Confirm vehicle and select OK. Select system selection. Select ABS, system info, select OK. Select special function. Select DECEL G SEN calibration. System info asterisk, please read asterisk and select OK to begin. Once complete, select the back button. And that's how to perform a DECEL G sensor calibration on a 2011 Nissan Titan.